Namaste everyone. Welcome to Yoga with Amit. I am Amit Naamdev and today we will practice Sun Salutation with mantras. Let's start. Come to the front of your mat. Check your feet about hip width apart. Spread your toes, press your heel down. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Palm together. Om Mitraya Namaha. Inhale. Bring your arms up. Om Ravaye Namaha. Exhale. Bend forward. Bend your knee if you need to. Om Surya Namaha. Inhale, right leg back, knee down, toes down, push your hip down, look forward. Om Bhanve Namaha. Inhale, hold the breath, both legs back, body in a straight line. Om Khagaya Namaha. Exhale, knee, chest, chin down, hips up. Om Pushne Namaha. Inhale, upper dog or Bhujangasana. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Exhale, downward dog. Om Marichay Namaha. Inhale, right foot forward, knee down, toes down, push your hip down, look forward. Om Adityaya Namaha. Exhale, both legs forward, chest to the knee. Om Savitre Namaha. Inhale, bring your arms up. Om Arkaya Namaha. Exhale, palm together in Namaskarasana. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Release. Other side. Palm together. Om Mitraya Namaha. Inhale, bring your arms up. Om Ravaye Namaha. Exhale, bend forward, chest to the knee. Om Surya Namaha. Inhale, left leg back, knee down, toes down, push your hip down. Om Bhanve Namaha. Inhale, hold the breath, both legs back, body in a straight line. Om Khagaya Namaha. Exhale, knee, chest, chin down, hips up. Om Pushne Namaha. Inhale, upper dog. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Exhale, downward dog, mountain pose. Om Marichay Namaha. Inhale, left foot forward, knee down, toes down, push your hip down. Om Adityaya Namaha. Exhale, both legs forward, chest to the knee. Om Savitre Namaha. Inhale, bring arms up. Om Arkaya Namaha. Exhale, Namaskarasana. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Release. So this is the Sun Salutation round 1. And you should practice at least 3 rounds for the best results. So repeat the video 2 more times. Thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and I will see you in my upcoming videos. Namaskar.